Come on. Get through!
Nice RBI single from Nico Miller. That brings up number 42, Emery Harrison.
You call him short-term third base?
What's that?
You call him short-term third base?
Oh, did he?
Yeah, didn't matter.
Oh.
But he's not promoted home for that. He's not promoted third base, right?
Come on, guys. This is great. Let's go, D. Hold it together.
I'm not sure.
Hold it together, guys.